I count to 3, and 1, 2, 3, and strike! Sayaw! $80 million to the American. The American had arrived in the place in the Philippines, no? To sustain sovereignty of the place, they spread out different places all over the Philippines. Particularly, Japanese, they're the ones who constructed the Cannon Road in Baguio. No, natapos na yung kontrata, when the American invited them, they started to migrate here in the southern Philippines, particularly Davao. So American and Japanese, before the war, meron na silang collaboration. The boss of the Japanese was the American. We don't have governor here. We only have here is the mayor, because through the Act Commonwealth number 51, it stated in the Article 1 Commonwealth number 51 that Davao became an independent city. So that means beer lang ang fruit, pero yung abaca ay hindi. But the strands of abaca much better than the strands of banana. So the strongest fiber in the world. The more na mababasa, the more siyang tumitibay. The more it get water, the more gets wet to the salt water, the more it becomes stronger. No? Kaya ginamit siya. So two-person crosscut before the chainsaw made, they use this manual saw. No? So dito nakuha yung lyrics na ako sa iyo, ikaw ay kayo akin sa iyo,
Plata.
the ceramic plates, multiple jar, and also the abaca. So this is also represent Chinese inhabitants, Filipino Chinese inhabitants here in Davao. In 2003, it was also signed by Mayor Duterte na magkaroon na kami ng Chinese community. It's a 43.34 hectares Chinese community. Said to be the largest Chinatown in the Chinatown. Okay? About 70% Filipino Chinese and Chinese Chinatown. But hindi lang. Yes, lalo pa bumili kayo ng power dog. Bibuyan. Hawak ka lang daw dito at sayaw ka. No? Okay, so anyway, bigyan ka niya ng anak, 12 kung gusto mo diretsyo. Okay, so project box. Anyway, it's just a mythology. 6, ito po ay gawa po ni Victorio Idades. Isang Davaoenyo na nakilala sa National Artist of Visual Arts. The face behind this painting is si Rosa Santos Munda, the then president of the Philippine Women's College of the Philippines. 6 ha, kundi 16 na varieties ng durian na pwede nyo matikman dito sa Davao. And look, durian has a 3 levels of varieties. Mayabang na po kami. Meron po kaming libreng 911 emergency response. Free of charge 911 emergency response unit. And it was started in 2002. Just a home of the Muslim people. Because we have 3 identities of people living here in the city. These geometrical design colors and patterns represent native from the indigenous cultural community, the mountain dwellers people. These curvilinear patterns and colors represent Muslim from the Islamized cultural communities, the coastal dweller people, the lowlander people, and we have also the Christian who adopt Christian belief and practices. Nowadays, we have at least 80% of Christians settled here, 5% of native, and 15% of Muslim. But it's not a hindrance here as the Davaoenyo inhabitants, because this painting shows the multicultural identity in the city, in particular and in general in Mindanao. So whatever religion, practices, culture, and what we call this dialect you have, here as the Davaoenyo, we still united as one. Then we live peace in harmony. So this painting shows the unity in diversity of Davao City. So ang relasyon ng mga Davaoenyo ay mahalin tulad mo sa isang bahay. Diverse is our beauty. Okay? And that would be all for today. Thank you very much for visiting.